In this video, I will show you how to find commercial real estate deals online using one of the best real estate software options available. Many realtors, investors, and property researchers across the United States rely on digital data platforms to find ownership information, tax records, sale history, building details, comps, parcel boundaries, and market trends. Some tools are open to the public, while others require a subscription. If you need a unified parcel-level database that covers all of these details in one place, Land Portal is a strong choice. It is especially helpful if you do not have access to a local MLS or if you want broader nationwide coverage. Land Portal is a property data tool that gathers ownership information, tax records, sale history, building details, parcel boundaries, comps, market trends, and much more into one place. Many realtors, investors, and researchers use it because it is fast, accurate, and easy to understand. Today, I will show you how to set it up and how to use it even if you are a complete beginner. Start by opening the link in the description. This link will take you directly to the Land Portal website. When the home page loads, in the center, there is a green button that says Start Free Trial. Click on that button. After clicking Start Free Trial, you will be taken to a page where you need to choose a plan. You will see different bundles. You can select the plan called Starter. This plan also shows a 7-day free trial. Click on the option that says Start for Free. Now you will be taken to the checkout page. Here, you need to fill in your billing details. Type your first name, your last name, your country, and your street address. Then type your town or city and select your state or county from the menu. Enter your postal code, phone number, and your email address. Your email is important because this is where you will receive your confirmation. Below the form, you will see the pricing details for the starter plan. It shows the monthly price and also a small sign-up fee. You will also see that the first 7 days are free. After checking all your information on the checkout page, scroll down to the payment section. Here, you will see empty boxes for your card details. Type your card number. Then type the expiration date. After that, enter the 3-digit security code. Make sure all the numbers are correct. Once all the information is filled in, look for the button that says Subscribe or Place Order. Click on that button. The payment will process and your 7-day free trial will start. You will then be taken to the order confirmation page and your dashboard will become active. Here, you will see a large map that shows different countries. This is your main map area. Use your mouse or trackpad to zoom in slowly until you reach the United States. Continue zooming until you reach the state or city that you want to explore. On the left side of the screen, you will see your full dashboard. It includes map search, saved search, orders history, skip trace, slope reports, comp reports, market research, mailing center, LP University, your profile, and the help center. To begin looking for property details, click on Map Search. At the top, you will find a search bar. Here you can type any US city, zip code, or county. The map will update and you will see parcels highlighted on the screen. These shapes represent individual properties. Click on any parcel to open its details. You will now see information such as the owner name, tax data, sale history, building description, land size, and other useful records. This is one of the simplest ways to access parcel-level information within seconds. If you want more advanced data, such as recent sales and property comparisons, click on Comp Reports from the left menu. Type any property address. Land Portal will generate a full comp report including sold homes, price changes, market trends, and local statistics. You can also click on Market Research to view neighborhood insights, market activity, price patterns, and area performance. This helps you understand how the local market is behaving and which areas are performing better. With these tools, you can identify off-market commercial properties, research ownership, check valuations, compare sales, and study market trends in one place. This is why Land Portal can be one of the best software options for commercial real estate. If you want to start finding commercial real estate deals today, Use the link in the description to start your free trial.